For me, working with Albert, it was a dream. In the atmosphere that we were with AZ, it was so exciting because it was whatever we wanted it to be. This is the opening look of Albert Elbaz that we opened the AZ factory with about 13 tensions in the waist alone. It's able to mold into the body that you have. It was about creating corsets for the woman of today. So for the embroidery piece, we thought Albert was all about sparkle, about the glitz, about the showmanship. So we came up with the same dress, just with these amazing shoulders. And to be also part of that whole showmanship, we thought, let's sparkle the beep out of it. Naturally, when we said for the closing look, we want Albert to be present. We wanted the audience to feel the spirit of Albert. So I thought with the team, and we said, this is a celebration. Why don't we put on the sides of the garment a celebration of all the pieces on this piece? The first collection, we immortalized it on this jacket that hopefully will live here forever.